Enlargement and reduction. The learning outcome for today's lesson is to understand what enlargements are and reductions are. It is to be able to construct an enlargement and reduction. An introduction: enlargement is making something bigger, while a reduction is making something smaller. So let's just take this triangle. That is 1:1 scale, so it's the original shape of it. So it's 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. If we want to make it bigger, just say by a factor of 2, so everything's getting multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So then all sides are 4. And that scale is called 2:1 because it's an enlargement of the original shape. If we want to make it smaller, which is a reduction, we divide everything by 2 or multiply by a half. It's the same thing. So 2 multiplied by a half equals 1. So all the sides are 1. And then that is a reduction of 1:1. That's the understanding, the maths behind it. But just say we wanted to construct it and the numbers weren't like as nice as those numbers. This is 30 centimeters. No, 30 millimeters. So 30 millimeters. I want to make that 50 millimeters. So I'm going to extend this line and then mark 50 millimeters. So there's 50. And then you have to draw a diagonal through the far corner. So I'll just label them A, B, C, D. Now using your set squares, go parallel to AB or CD, it's the same, and draw from the mark where you marked 50. That's D1 and that's C1. And go parallel to AD and go up. And then extend here. So then this is called B1 and C1, and that's an enlargement. Then just say we want to do a reduction by a factor of 2/3. So 2/3. I'm going to draw a line after it, and I'm going to mark 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and then I'm just going to extend that back. It's just splitting up a line. It's a construction, and then you go up parallel and then up parallel. So that's 1 out of 2, 3, 1/3, 2/3, and that's 3/3. So if I want to go reduce it by a factor of 2/3, I mark it. So I go parallel to that, and then so the area inside here is 2/3. So this is a reduction of 2/3.